Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by protecting your data. Back up crucial files to an external drive or cloud, because this process will wipe the disk. Once done, plug the laptop into AC power and confirm battery health. Power loss will corrupt recovery. Now, power off and press the Lenovo or small recovery button. On many models, it's beside the power jack. Then choose the one-key recovery or recovery environment option. This gets you directly into the factory restore tools, ready to proceed. In the recovery menu, choose the option labeled Restore to Factory Settings or Recover from Initial System Image. That's the actual factory reset path. Once selected, confirm you accept complete data deletion. This step formats the system partition and reinstalls the original image. The tool will copy files and apply the image. The laptop may reboot automatically several times. Make sure you do not interrupt power or press keys. Let the sequence finish, so the image and drivers install cleanly without corruption. Once the image finishes, follow the Windows out-of-box setup to create accounts and set preferences, then make sure Device Manager reports no unknown devices. After setup, install Lenovo Vantage and run Windows Update to fetch the latest drivers and firmware. That stabilizes performance. If the recovery process fails, or the recovery partition is missing, create a USB recovery media from another PC or download Lenovo recovery image, and use a
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.